What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day with Jay. Today we are doing a what I eat in a week, but breakfast brunch edition. It's my all-time favorite meal of the day, and these are my top 4 meals that I tend to cook the most. So we're starting with my blueberry oatmeal here. Super simple, super easy. I do use rolled oats and coconut milk. I've loved adding frozen blueberries instead of regular blueberries, as regular blueberries go bad pretty quickly. So I add frozen blueberries, fresh strawberries, and drizzle honey over the top, and boom, there's meal number 1 in under 5 minutes. As for meal number 2, a little bit more prep goes into it. It's brunch tacos, but these are super filling, and I made 3 for the video, but really 2 is good enough for me. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I like to sprinkle some Mexican style cheese over my tortillas, and then I'll pop those in the oven and let the cheese melt. While I do that, I will cook my egg whites with some avocado oil, and I will scramble them. And then while those cook, I will do my spinach and tomatoes as well as avocado. I like to just season the avocado and the tomatoes with a little bit of lemon juice as well as salt and pepper. And then once everything is cooked, I go ahead and put it together. I'll add my scramble first, then my spinach, tomatoes, and lastly avocado. And then I do like to sprinkle a little bit of jalapeno sauce on it, and it adds a little bit of zest. These are super delicious and one of my favorites. And now on to meal number 3, which is also super simple. I just go ahead and you can either use toast or these wheat McMuffin sort of things. And I use the multigrain, 100 calories. Slice up some bananas, spread peanut butter. Then I like to drizzle honey over the top as well as some nutmeg to give it some more flavor. And then I will have a couple hard-boiled eggs for some protein on the side. Another super easy, super delicious, and quick, less than 5-minute meal. And last but definitely not least is one of my all-time favorite meals. A couple ingredients that you will need are cinnamon, vanilla. I like to add a little bit of apple pie spice and ground nutmeg. So I'm making 3 slices of toast today, or French toast, so I'm going to use 2 eggs. If you're just going to do 2 slices, you can get away with 1. I go ahead and add my ingredients here, and then I will just whisk it up. Also on this one, not shown, you can add bananas or strawberries to the top, but today I was just kind of feeling it as plain, and plus I need to go grocery shopping, so a little plain Jane French toast for you today, but still delicious. Once everything is mixed together, I head over and I will dip both sides of my toast or bread into the mixture, and then I will just go ahead and pop it on my pan. I like to use whole grain toast, and the Sara Lee one is 45 calories if I'm not mistaken, but whole wheat is best for me. And then what I like to do is I like to cook one side and then cook the other, and then to give it a little bit more crisp per se on each side, I'll just flip it a couple more times until it is nice golden brown to my liking. And I was struggling with the flipping here, guys, so just disregard. Once everything is cooked, I'll go ahead and put my butter on top as well as powdered sugar. And then this is the time that you can add your fruit if you would like, which is also super delicious, but I wasn't too hungry. And then maple syrup. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure that you are subscribed with your post notifications turned on down below, and I will see you guys next time.